Hello everyone, welcome to our channel GEMLABs. In part 4 video, we have gone through 16x2 LCD display interfacing, IR sensor library installation, object counting and automatic street light controller and programming concepts. In this video, you will learn about DC motor interfacing with Arduino and its programming concepts. Let us see interfacing of DC motor with Arduino in part 2 video. We have already discussed about what is motor, different types of motor and difference between motors. Coming to DC motor, it is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical rotation. There is no specific terminal for DC motor. If we want to control the direction like clockwise or anti-clockwise of the motor, it is possible by using L293D IC, which is known as motor driver. The components required for interfacing DC motor with Arduino is Arduino Uno, DC motor and L293D motor driver. L293D motor driver is a module that allows you to control the speed and direction of two motors simultaneously. This is designed to drive currents at voltages from 5 volts to 36 volts, and L293D also acts as bridge between motor and microcontroller. If we connect motor directly with Arduino board, there is a chance for damage of Arduino board because motor requires high amount of current, whereas the Arduino works on low current signals. So the motor driver take the low current signals and turn it into higher current signals that can drive a motor. Now let us see code for interfacing DC motor with Arduino. Here input pin 1 assigned with 4 and input pin 2 is assigned with 3, which means IN pin of L293D is connected to pin 4 of Arduino and IN2 pin of L293D is connected to pin 5. In void setup, we have made input pin 1 and input pin 2 to behave as output using pin mode function. Coming to void loop, where we have made input pin 1 as high and input pin 2 as low and given some delay. After that, we have made input pin 1 as low and input pin 2 as high and given delay, which means motor will rotate clockwise direction for some time. After 1 second, it will rotate anti-clockwise direction. Now let us see how to simulate DC motor with Arduino. First, go to Proteus software. In that, select schematic capture and select P for picking the devices. In keyboard block, type Uno so that it will show Arduino Uno and double click on it so that it will get selected. After that, type DC motor. It will show the list of devices. In that, select simple DC motor module. After that, type L293D and select push-pull 4-channel driver with diodes L293D. Now select Arduino Uno and place it in required location and select L293D and place it in required location. Now select DC motor and place it in required location. Now connect out one pin of L293D to motor terminal and out 2 pin of L293D to another terminal of motor. Now connect pin 3 of Arduino to IN2 pin of L293D and pin 4 of Arduino to IN pin of L293D. Now go to terminal mode and select power and connect it with VCC and VS pins of L293D. And select ground in terminal mode and connect it with GND pin of L293D. Now go to Arduino IDE and write code for DC motor. After completion of writing code, compile the code. After completion of compiling, copy the hex file and go to Proteus software and double click on Arduino and paste the copied hex file in program file of Arduino. Now run the simulation. so that the motor rotates in clockwise for some time and it runs in anti-clockwise for some time. After that, stop the simulation. In our next video, we are going to discuss about measuring the water level in tank. If you have any queries, you can contact us with the details provided. And please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.